So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a blending brush like this one here, and I'm gonna apply from the Tarte palette. This is the Tarte palette this is the Tarte palette from Tarte. So I believe this is the first one they came out with. So I had it for like the longest time, as you can see. So I'm gonna start with this shade called Natural Beauty, which is this one right here. And I'm gonna put it in my crease so I can make a transition shade for all the other fun colors I am going to apply. So we apply it, well, I apply it and blend it. The next thing I'm gonna do is take this. This is from the BoxyCharm box. So it's from Cover FX and it's Shimmer Veil. So it's basically like a shadow base, but with glitter. Basically that. So I got it in the shade, doesn't say, Amethyst. It's in the shade Amethyst. So I'm going to apply this as a base, and right here I'm gonna blend that. Obviously it's not gonna look as funny. Put it here. Ooh, that's some shine, girl. Whoa. Okay, so the BoxyCharm this month brought these 3 brushes from Chrome Brush. This one doesn't have any name on it, so I'm gonna use it to just make this look a little decent. That dries fast. FYI. I'm gonna go back to the first shade I used and blend the edges so it doesn't look as rough. So I'm not a fan of glitter. I know some people are, but I'm not. Whatever. Let's try this. This is from the BoxyCharm box also, and it's a glitter basically from Bella Pierre Cosmetics, and it's Cosmic Blue. I never applied glitter or loose glitter in my eye before, have I? No, I don't think so. And I'm sure I haven't applied these crazy colors either. So don't try to open this with nails. Oh god. Alright. I don't know if that's enough. I never applied glitter before in my eye, so. And I'll use it to apply this. I went and with a little bit of setting spray and I wet the brush. So let's see. Oh yeah, okay. You see that? Okay, it's getting in my eye. Woohoo! Shit. Oh. So I'm gonna wet this brush again. And take a little bit more of that glitter. Pack it in the other eye. And if you were wondering, yeah, I have glitter all over my face. Not to myself, I really don't like glitter, but I'm gonna work with it because I'm a trooper and I'm gonna work with it. So again, I'm gonna blend that shiny mess. I'm going to take a little bit of loose powder because I made quite a mess. Oh, I will take a pencil brush like this one. Oh my god, and just take the shade called Best Friend from the Tarte palette. It's this one here. And I'm just gonna run it on my lower lash line. I feel like I have glitter all over my eyeballs. Not funny. So I'm gonna take this pencil that was also in the box. It's from the brand Vintage by Jessica Lee. By Jessica, I don't know your last name. It's weird. So it's this one here. I'm just gonna put it in my waterline. No, like I'm not a makeup expert, and apparently I can talk either. But yeah, I try. The last thing that was in the box was this palette by Naked Cosmetics. It's this one here, and it's their, what's it called? Holographic Highlighter Collection. I'm gonna take this small brush. I'm sorry, my brushes are dirty. I used them already. But yeah. So since I have kind of purple, oh my goodness, purples and blues going on in my eye, I'm gonna take the purple and the blue shade and highlight my cheekbones. Ooh, girl. Oh my god, what have I done? Do I have to be somewhere today? I don't think so, so that's fine. So my whole look is done. I look like I'm gonna, I don't know, go to a carnival. Everything's from the box where the brushes, they're really nice. Dirty now, they're filthy. And some of the shades of the palette, like, okay, yeah, I like some. I'm not gonna be a hypocrite. And I think that's it. I mean, BoxyCharm, it's like, I don't know, it's $21 to subscribe. It's fun. You can try different makeup products every month. I mean, if you're a makeup enthusiast, I'll say subscribe to it. But yeah, sometimes you get some gimmicky things which are fun to try, but I don't know. It's up to you. I enjoy it. So yeah. If you like this video, just subscribe and hit the like button. And yeah, leave some comments down below. And I'm probably gonna go walk down the street right now because it's really nice outside. And I can use the workout because I'm 8 months pregnant and yeah. Well, that was it. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.